I think people who fear Sharia law, I don't think they understand what Sharia law is. They probably are caricaturizing Sharia law as 2 or 3 things that the Taliban in Afghanistan did. The application of hudud laws, such as amputation for theft and public executions for murder and other crimes like adultery. But if you look at the entire gamut of what Sharia is, I think already Western countries implement 99% of the Islamic Sharia. I have written an article in the Washington Post where I argue that the main tenets of Islamic Sharia are based on what the Judeo-Christian tradition calls as the 10 Commandments. So, thou shalt not commit adultery. If that is illegal in the West, then it is also a Sharia value. Thou shalt not kill is a value. Now, someday these anti-Sharia people may realize that prohibition of murder is Sharia, so will they permit and legalize murder in the United States? So the whole discussion of preemptive prohibition of Sharia in the United States is a very strange manifestation of 2 things. It is a manifestation of the marriage of ignorance and prejudice. People who understand what Sharia is understand that it is a legal system which is designed to provide key values, and the 5 purposes of Islamic Sharia is, number 1, to protect life, number 2, to protect property, number 3, to protect family and associations and civil society, number 4, to protect freedoms of religion. This is important. And number 5 is to protect reason, aql. And so when you talk about protecting reason, you would talk protection of freedom of expression, freedom of thought. So the core goals of what the Sharia is are, I think, completely compatible and consistent with modern Western liberal values, whether they are practiced in the West or not.